What if one day, Venus, our closest planetary neighbor, suddenly exploded? It sounds like pure science fiction, but if it ever happened, the results would be mind-blowing. Could Earth survive? Would the solar system be thrown into chaos? Let's dive deep into this cosmic catastrophe. Could Venus even explode? Venus is already one of the most extreme planets in the solar system. With surface temperatures reaching 900 degrees Fahrenheit, 475 degrees Celsius hot enough to melt lead, and an atmosphere made mostly of carbon dioxide and sulfuric acid clouds, it's a literal hellscape. The planet is covered in massive volcanoes, some of which might still be active. But what could actually make Venus explode? A few hypothetical scenarios include, if a giant asteroid, say 100 kilometers wide, slammed into Venus at high speed, it could release enough energy to send massive chunks of the planet flying into space. Venus is home to massive volcanic plains. If underground pressure built up enough, a chain reaction of super eruptions could blow the planet apart. An advanced alien civilization testing a doomsday weapon. A bizarre quantum event. These ideas belong in movies, but hey, we're talking about extreme possibilities. What would happen in the first few minutes? If Venus were to explode, the first thing we'd see wouldn't be the explosion itself, because Venus is 67 million miles, 108 million kilometers, away from Earth. Instead, astronomers would detect a sudden burst of light and a massive shockwave of energy traveling at the speed of light. Minutes later, the explosion would launch billions of tons of planetary debris into space. Huge chunks of rock, some the size of cities, would be ejected at high speeds. Some of these fragments might be large enough to become new asteroids or even mini-planets. Could Earth be in danger? In the coming weeks and months, the real danger begins. With Venus shattered, its debris would scatter across the inner solar system. Some of this debris might be pulled toward Earth due to the Sun's and Earth's gravity. Tiny fragments from Venus would light up our skies, creating spectacular but harmless meteor showers. Larger pieces could be catastrophic. If a Venus-sized asteroid hit Earth, it would release more energy than all the nuclear bombs on the planet combined, causing mass extinction. Some debris might hit the Moon, creating new craters or even knocking it slightly off course. How would the solar system change? Venus isn't just any planet, it has a gravitational pull strong enough to affect Earth and other planets. Removing Venus from the equation would slightly alter Earth's orbit. Over thousands or even millions of years, these small changes could have dramatic consequences. Earth might move slightly closer or farther from the Sun, affecting our climate. Without Venus's pull, the positions of Mars and Mercury could shift over time. The explosion might send hidden asteroids into new orbits, increasing the chance of future asteroid impacts. The bright side. Venus isn't going to explode anytime soon, at least, not naturally. The planet is stable for now, and barring some unimaginable cosmic event, it will continue its slow, toxic rotation for billions of years. But imagining such a disaster helps us understand the delicate balance of our solar system. Even the loss of a single planet could throw everything into chaos. What do you think? If you love mind-blowing space content, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insane cosmic theories.